Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus, stock number E1696P. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, billet silver in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Very easy to get to the second row. Backup camera. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This SXT Plus has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in a perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 22,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and also ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. And dual zone temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And then, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Challenger has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.